Attorney Luke, maganda yung observation mo niyan. So the basic question now, if assuming we pass an anti-dynasty bill, will it really stop political dynasty?
It really depends, no? It depends on the direct intervention of the people. And the only reason why Bongbong Marcos has declared na priority bill ang anti-dynasty law, dahil yan sa flood control project kung saan siya ay sinisingil. Kung papansinin natin, all pro-people legislation in history, all without exception, ito ay hindi katang-isip ng legislature. Sila ay pushed to the wall because of revolution or mass movement action, and napipilitan sila. And the only way for us to have a real anti-dynasty law is if it becomes a result of struggle from the ground. If left to their own devices, they will simply pass yung kunwaring anti-dynasty law, pero ang layon actually neto ay papahupain ang protesta and mananatili ang dinastiya.